So I was just on Reddit right now answering some questions on some SEO subreddits, and I came across this question right here that it seems that it's very popular and a lot of people are asking this and they have no idea how to figure this out. So I decided to make a video. Okay, I want to show you a quick trick and a fast and easy way that you can do to achieve what these guys are asking here. So pretty much it starts with this guy that has the following question. Hey, I'm a blogger. Anyone here repurposing YouTube videos into blog posts without rewriting everything? So I run a WordPress blog and I'm trying to turn useful YouTube content into articles for SEO, but manual rewriting is killing my time. Curious how others handle this? Tools, workflows, or just manual, okay? And if you come here to the answers to what people are saying, most of them are saying this. Most YouTube videos have a transcript. There are also a few websites that get those transcripts for you. Just Google YouTube transcript. Then you can use AI to shorten the transcript into a blog post with the amount of words that will suit your project. And the remaining answers are pretty much the same thing, okay? They all follow the transcript workflow, which is correct, okay? And I'm gonna teach you right now how you can do the same thing with Claude in order to fasten this process and turn it more automatic, okay, but not really automatic, but semi-automatic, okay? We're gonna create a skill for this. Okay, send YouTube link to Claude and tell him to write a blog post. You add finishing touch. Most of the times this doesn't work because there are videos that are not fetchable by Claude, okay? So yeah, we're gonna use my channel as an example and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this in an easy way using Claude, and then I'm gonna tell you a full automatic workflow that I use and that I know other guys using, okay? And by the way, people are asking this because right now, turning YouTube content into blog posts is having very good results, all right? It's kind of like a loophole, a glitch. I don't know how you guys want to call it, but we've seen people getting massive SEO results with this workflow of turning YouTube content into blog posts. And this is why a lot of content is published on YouTube, all right? It's easier to create content for YouTube than it is to write a blog. So the fact that you can convert YouTube videos, okay, but like me, I'm talking right now, it's so much easier than writing. It's like it gives you a very fair advantage when it comes to written content, okay? So here's how I can do this with Claude. So first, let's get my channel right here, Lobster Marketing Tips, and I'm gonna use this video right here. So you would open the video, okay? And if you open here the description, you will find the transcript, okay? So you click show transcript, and now you're simply gonna copy all of my video transcript, okay? This is everything I said in the video. And now you just come to Claude and you type something like this. Hey, I'm repurposing a YouTube video into a blog post for my website. It has to be SEO optimized. So I'm gonna paste the transcript here. Please convert it into an article with, let's say, 2,000 words, okay? Also, please handle title, meta description, and that's it, okay? So we're just gonna paste the transcript right here, and now Claude will create us an article. And pay attention, this is gonna be a good article because Claude is a smart model, but it's still a manual process because we have to open Claude, we have to open YouTube, we have to get the transcript, we have to paste the transcript, and we gotta prompt Claude in order to get this done, okay? So let me get back to you once Claude is done and show you the article that it creates. And here is our blog post, okay, that Claude just finished writing it, and here you can see that this is the decent article, although it doesn't have two important things. And the first one is images, the other is the link for the video, and you having the video embedded on the article, and third, it doesn't have any links here, okay? So Once Claude generates your article, you can simply copy this, all right, open your WordPress or your Webflow or your Wix site and paste the article there, okay? And if you want to turn this into a continuous workflow, you just have to be paying attention to the YouTube channel that you want to repurpose. And every time they record and release a new video, okay, you simply just turn the notifications on the channel on and you keep paying attention, and every time they record and upload a video, you go there and you repeat this process, all right? Which works, okay? It works. It's what most people are doing, but now I'm gonna show you how you can fully automate this with an SEO tool, okay? And the tool is called Arvow, all right? And interesting thing about Arvow for this specific workflow is that they have a feature that does this automatically, okay? So the only thing you don't need a transcript, you don't need to prompt anything, you just need to copy the video, okay? So I just copied this URL and you click here on the YouTube video to blog post article, okay? And you simply click here, you paste the YouTube video, okay? And by the way, this is not only going to be generated, but also be published because Arvow integrates with a bunch of website platforms. So you can generate this article and publish it automatically to WordPress, to Blogger, to Ghost, to Wix with just one click. Okay, so you go here to, let's go to our article. We're gonna choose the language of the article, all right? And it's in this case, it's English. You can even add some custom instructions if you want it. You can even turn on the image, okay? And you simply click to generate. So while the Claude workflow took me like 3 or 4 minutes, this one takes a few seconds, okay? And we're not in the best part yet, okay? Right now, I just wanna show you how the article will look and how you can simply publish it in one click. Okay, these articles, by the way, are very fast to generate, even faster than Claude. All right, so in a few seconds, we should have this done and ready to be published. Okay, so let's just wait a few seconds. So yeah, this took like 45 seconds. Okay, and here we have our article is ready. Automate your local SEO, Claude core skills to an Arvow site overview. Okay. Site optimizer, and you can see that in this article right here we have a featured image, okay, we have a table of content, so it's a much more complete article, and you have the YouTube video embedded. Okay, you can also see that the formatting is as good as Claude. All right, it has all the instructions, all the content that was mentioned in the video, just as Claude, and it's simply way faster and easier. And now if you want to publish to your WordPress site, you just click here on publish, and of course I will not because the integration is not ready, but I just configure here my WordPress site and I simply click here to publish the article. Okay, and now you might be wondering, oh, but this is still a semi-automatic workflow, okay? I have to log into Arvow, I need to get the link, I need to paste it, and I have to click here to publish to my website. It's not fully automatic. And here it comes the best part, okay? So Arvow has also this feature called the feeds, okay? Where you can create a YouTube channel feed. So I just need to paste here my channel URL, and I'm gonna do it right now so you guys can see. I simply go here to my channel, okay? I copy the URL of my channel and I paste it here. And now, every time that I publish a video on YouTube, okay, this YouTube feed will retrieve the content and get the transcript automatically, okay? As you can see here, we're pulling videos from your YouTube channel. Every 24 hours, we will pull in new videos from your YouTube channel. And what can you do with this? Well, you can create an automation inside Arvow, which is here on campaigns and Autoblogs. And you simply click here to create a new campaign. You call it Lobster Marketing Tips, okay? Lobster Marketing Tips. You enable the Autoblog and you click here on full automation mode, okay? And this will ask you for two things. First, the feed, okay? We're gonna get our YouTube feed. And second, we're gonna select the integration. So where do you wanna publish these articles? So we just chose the YouTube feed we just created, and I just chose my WordPress website. So every time I publish a video on YouTube, Arvow will get that video, generate an article about it, and publish to my WordPress site automatically. And I don't even have to log in into any platform or be aware of when I publish or your YouTube channel publishes new videos. Okay, and then you can define the frequency and the quantity of articles. Let's keep this to one a day, but you can also do one every 12 hours, one every week, whatever fits your needs and your workflow. Okay, and then you just click here to create. All right, you start the Autoblog by clicking on this button, and that's it. From this moment onwards, you have a fully automatic workflow that repurposes YouTube videos into blog post articles optimized for SEO straight to your website. So if you're one of these guys, here is your answer. All right, I'm gonna give an explanation right now, and I'm gonna join the conversation because I think that this is genuinely good information, and there are a lot of people that are still taking the manual approach when there is no need. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. I will leave a link for Arvow in the description. Okay, they have a bunch more features that I talk about in this channel that I've made videos about, but this is just one that's answering a specific pain point and a specific need from a lot of guys on Reddit. So hope it was helpful. Like and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to watch this next, and I see you on the next one.